Hey guys, Tony here from TonyTechBytes, and I just got the OnePlus 8 in the mail. So it just arrived today, and I'm gonna do an unboxing in this video and include some of my first impressions while using the phone and setting it up. Before we start the video, as a disclaimer, I am a OnePlus brand ambassador, so they did send this out to me, but they did not sponsor me and they didn't tell me to make this video, so this is just doing it on my free will. So now let's go to the overhead camera and unbox this phone. Okay, so now that we are overhead, let's start with the unboxing, and I forgot some scissors, so we're just gonna have to make do with whatever I have. So here's the box. Opening it up, you can see some plastic protection here. That's good. And there's an invoice at the bottom over here. Some cool things like if you need support, email them or whatever. And I'll put this box to the side because I don't need it anymore. Okay, so here is the box. You can see the 8 logo, the OnePlus 8 on the side, and the specs. I'll cover up the serial numbers and stuff. You can see it's the Glacial green color, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, Android, licensed by Qualcomm, OnePlus. Okay, so here's the pull tab over here to open it, and of course you can see the plastic is still on it. Okay, now that we have the box ready, let's just film the unboxing. So I'll flip this over to the side and pull the pull tab over here. Oh no, it's ruining everything. Gonna throw that to the side. Okay, so now that I got the plastic off, let's take off the box. Here we go, OnePlus. I think there's some documentation here, but it's hard to do one-handed while I'm recording on my phone. And here's the phone. Okay, so let's take it out of the box. Okay, so here is the phone. I'm probably gonna have to turn off the green light because it does kind of look weird. Oh, I got some fingerprints on it already. So here's the phone. You can see the glacial green color, and it does kind of look sky bluish. I think it looks green in different scenarios, like if you move it around a little bit. And it does feel really smooth in the hand. It feels a little bit like the 7 Pro, but maybe a little bit smoother. I'm not really sure what they did to it. Look at this color, holy. And there is an included screen protector. It's probably a plastic one. Doesn't really feel like glass. And over here you can see the hole punch front-facing camera. You can see the triple camera layout, OnePlus logo, and I'm probably gonna peel this sticker off. It definitely feels a lot lighter than the 7 Pro, which I do like because having a heavy phone does feel weird. I have the 7T over here, and the 8 feels a little bit lighter, though I'm not really sure if it is. I'll probably have to look at the specs later. But you can see USB-C in the bottom, speaker grill, the the SIM card slot, the power button, the alert switch notification slider thing, and the volume rocker. So I'm just gonna turn this on right now and see what the setup process looks like, just to show you guys. So you can see powered by Android, the OnePlus logo. Let's take a look at the other stuff that's included. Here you see the warp charger. This is the power adapter inside. And there's plastic on it. I'll just remove it later. I'll put this back. Okay, here's the charger, the cable that comes with the box. And as for documentation, let's take a look at this as well. Safety information, quick start guide. This is just safety information, a quick start guide. Oh, radiation values. Wow, that is kind of weird. Unusual. Stickers. Oh, I like these. These are stickers. I kind of like these. My friends call me for tech support. That's kind of funny. Invitation letter. I'm not going to open this. This is a SIM ejection tool, and I'm kind of glad they included it in this because it does make it look clean and tidy. So I'll put this stuff to the side and start looking at the phone. And I don't think they include a plastic case inside the box this time, which is kind of unfortunate. Start. I'll accept their terms and conditions. No thanks. I'll just put in my SIM card later. I really have time to switch it right now. Right now it's checking for updates, and it does look a little bit overexposed, so I'll fix that. Should look a little bit better now. So I think for the OnePlus 8, it only has a 90 Hz display, and I kind of wish that it had 120 Hz, but obviously that's reserved for the 8 Pro. Copy apps and data, sure, I'll just sync up my phone. So I'm just gonna copy the data from the 7T onto the 8. Now let's try out checking the fingerprint sensor, so I'm gonna set it up with my left thumb. I'm gonna add my right thumb too. Look at that. Okay, so now I added my fingerprint. Next, continue setup. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the setup. Access. I'll update you guys when I am done. Setup is complete, so let's start. Ooh. Oh my gosh. So let me go check out the refresh rate. Looks pretty smooth right now. Display. Okay. Display. Where's the refresh rate? Is that advanced? Yes, advanced. Screen refresh rate, 90 Hz. Yeah, so you can see this is the OnePlus 8 with 90 Hz refresh rate, and I think the OnePlus 8 Pro has 120 Hz if you really want the smoothest, absolutely smoothest display. So 90 Hz is still really good, especially on a phone like this. I mean, this is similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro because obviously it has that curved display, 90 Hz refresh rate, and triple camera setup with a design that looks like this. But I do not really like the hole punch camera at the upper left because it does kind of look weird. I wish they just kept the pop-up camera, but some people, I think they were complaining about the reliability of the pop-up camera. You know, personally, I never hated the pop-up camera because I barely ever used it. So I don't really know. I mean, look at this. So far, I mean, I'm not really sure if I can judge the camera, but from first impressions, it looks okay. And you can see the wide angle, telephoto. So yeah, here it is. The OnePlus 8. So I'm going to be removing the sticker, doing a full review soon. So if you aren't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more content. And also, if you want to pick up the OnePlus 8 or any accessories for it, I'll have it linked in the description down below for your convenience. They are affiliate links from Amazon, so I do earn a tiny bit of commission from them, but it does not come at an additional cost to you.